page 60 of your books, Unit 9, Speaking, Changing Times. So we have group work. How have things changed? ¿Cómo las cosas han cambiado? How will things be different in the future? ¿Cómo serán las cosas diferentes en el futuro? Choose two of these topics, then discuss the questions below. Entonces, escojan uno de esos dos temas. How will things be different in the future? Or, how have things changed? Escojan cualquiera de esos dos temas. Choose any of these topics. 4. How have things changed? Si escogen el tema How have things changed, van a tener que hablar en pasado y presente perfecto. Si escogen How will things be different in the future, van a hablar en futuro, las tres clases de futuro: future with will, future with might, and future with going to. Entonces, tenemos muchos temas. We have education. We have entertainment. We have fashion, food, housing, medicine, shopping, sports, technology, and transportation. We have education, educación, entertainment, entretenimiento, fashion, moda, food, comida, housing, vivienda, medicine, medicina, shopping, compras, sports, deportes, technology, tecnología, transportation, transporte. So, you have to choose first, what are you going to do? Then, you have to choose a topic. For example, we have education. I choose education. The first, how have things changed? I use education has changed. Yes, for the better. Education has changed for the better, or education has changed for the best. We have more knowledge. We have more knowledge. So, my example, mi ejemplo para educación is education has changed for the best. We have more knowledge. La educación ha cambiado para mejor. Tenemos ahora más conocimientos. In case I choose the second, how will things be different in the future? I say more technology. So, my example for topic number 2, education will be different in the future because we'll have more technology. That's what you have to do. Eso es lo que tienen que hacer para cada uno de los temas que hay en el libro. Después, after that, you have to answer my questions, these questions. What was it like in the past? What is it like today? And what will be like in the future? So first, you choose education, then you choose one of these topics, the topic in past or the topic in future. If you choose past, si escoges pasado, you have to talk, you have to write everything in past. Look, education has changed. Present perfect. For the best. We have more knowledge. And if you choose the topic in future, si escogen el tema de futuro, you have to talk, you have to write everything in future. Escriban todo en futuro. For example, education will be future. Different in the future because we will future have more technology. So students, after you choose a topic, for example education, you can choose fashion, food, house, whatever you want. When you choose a topic, you have to choose if you are going to talk in past or if you are going to talk in future. If you choose past, everything must be written in past. If you choose future, everything must be written in future. And now, after you did that, you have to answer these questions. What was it like in the past? What was it like in the past? Next, we have what is it like today? And after that, we have what will be like in the future. What will it be like in the future? So, the practice ends with these three questions. What was it like in the past? ¿Cómo era esto en el pasado? What was it like today? ¿Cómo era esto el día de hoy? And what it will be like in the future. So what was it like in the past? ¿Cómo fue en el pasado? What is it like today? ¿Cómo es hoy en día? And what will be like in the future? ¿Cómo será en el futuro? Una vez hayan concluido con esto, chicos, pasan al siguiente tema, educación, education. Once you finish all of this, you move on to entertainment. Then, when you finish with entertainment, you move on to fashion, and so on. Cuando terminen con educación, continúan con entretenimiento. Terminan entretenimiento, continúan con modas. Okay? This is workbook practice in your notebooks. Okay?